Okay guys, different kind of video for you guys today. This being a tech channel, I know you don't expect that sometimes we might get into the kitchen, but I believe tech gadgets include anything that has a screen. So I've been thinking, why not? Let's try and see. Maybe you guys will appreciate if I show you some other aspects of tech in the house, like this new device that we just got in. The wife really likes French fries, deep frying stuff, and in fact, not even just from a health standpoint, even from an economic standpoint, the price of cooking oil has really skyrocketed. What really can we do about this? I have been eyeing an air fryer. I've never really used one, but it's really a trendy device and it's quite useful, and it's really become quite popular over the past, few years. So I thought, let's get into this. Let's try and see what this has to offer. So we picked up this unit. It's a Kenwood device called the kHealthyfry. The name really hypes up the health attributes, and the model number is HFP50. Now they come in two different sizes. There's a HFP30, which is 3 liters. They're about 3.5 liters, and a HFP50, which we have over here, which is 5.5 liters in capacity. So it's quite a larger one that could serve a bigger family, who knows what the future holds. And among the documentation you find in the box is quite a nice recipe book with somewhere close to 20 meals that you could actually prepare in this device. Then we also have these other documents, which include some adverts for other Kenwood products and a user manual that is quite handy, especially for us who've never really used an air fryer. Okay, now we'll get right into the unboxing, which is basically just getting it out of the box. So you can see it's quite a nice black glossy design. Looks like some sort of tank. This over here is actually the air intake. This is where the air gets into the machine to do the air frying. And down here we have the container where you put your ingredients, and this is how you get out the container. And inside the container is a basket for the ingredients. And at the top here is a touch panel, which actually gives you several modes that you could use. Just need to unpeel the stick out of it. This device is actually 1800 watts, which means that, for us Kenyans, this will run you 1.8 units. A unit is 1 kilowatt hour if you run it for 1 hour. And at the top here is printed a number of dishes that you can prepare using this air fryer. So turning it on, you can see that the button for power comes up, and on touching it, you get the display active. And this just shows you the temperature and the time that you can use for cooking. And once you click the power button, you're ready to go. So in this instance, this is 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, but we can just say that it's preheating for now because we've not yet put in any ingredients. So to test this device out, we will try some French fries, And what's happening here is the wife likes paprika. So yeah, oil and paprika. Meanwhile, the device continues to preheat. And now here we're ready to dump in our potatoes. And yeah, one thing about this device is you can actually shake and mix the ingredients even midway through the cooking. So now here we're ready to start 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, maybe 200, but I think we should have done 180. So because we weren't really sure, we decided to try 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. But just to preempt, we found out that for the best French fries, probably going for 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes gives you the best results. So yeah, here it goes. The air fryer actually does make some noise. We didn't expect that, but really it makes sense. It's not that noisy, it's just a hum in the background, sort of like a fan. And so like the typical us, we actually went back to look at the recipe after starting to cook. Now here, after 15 minutes, we noticed that the potatoes were actually getting quite crispy, but not really well done. So they needed a shake, a toss, a turn, something like that. And here they are, very, very, very awesome looking, quite crispy. Now the secret to getting crispy fries is actually to dry them out and put in some oil. So we thought maybe the same goes with chicken. And so here the chicken that was already boiled really is going into the air fryer after passing over some paper towel. So our guesswork was for chicken, maybe 180 degrees Celsius for what now? 20 minutes? Oh, maybe 15.
Yay! Allah.
So this really produced some awesome fries. You only need to season them with some salt to taste. The lesson we learned here is that you actually need to keep tossing them to get that consistently smooth, nice finish. And after the short wait, the chicken was done, also looking very good. And finally, time to get the serving done. You know, some tomatoes and avocado on the side, because here we are going for health. And after the massive portions are served, it's really time to dig in, but not before saying our prayers. Yeah, this thing is actually legit, you know. We didn't even double fry these fries, but this is awesome. And that is it, guys. You can probably get this device locally, but if you want to buy it online, links will be down below. Thanks a lot for watching. Feel free to comment and like this video. And if you're not yet subscribed, please do for more gadgets, apps, fun spaces, and what have you. See you in the next one. No pressure.